Good evening everyone. Students, today we will start exercise 9.2, chapter number 9, time and work. Exercise 9.1 we already done in previous video. So let's restart. Students, in this exercise, problem based on time and work. And there is two main things. First is 1 day work and second is number of days needed to complete the work. First, 1 day work equal to 1 by number of days to finish the work. Students, if we have given number of days to finish the work, then we find 1 day work, and 1 day work equal to 1 by number of days to finish the work. And if we find number of days and we have given 1 day work, then we write number of days to complete the work, that is equal to 1 by 1 day work. Okay, we use these two methods in our questions. So first question, part number first. If 5 men do a piece of work in 4 days, in how many days will 1 man do it? 5 men complete a piece of work in 4 days. In how many days will 1 man do it? 1 man do it. Students, we write 5 men complete a piece of work in 4 days. 5 men complete a piece of work in 4 days. Okay, 1 man, we find the work of 1 man. How many days 1 man take to complete the work? 1 man complete a piece of work in. Students, if 5 men complete work in 4 days, then 1 man complete it more days. And for more days, we take a multiplication, that is 4 multiply 5. This equal to 20 days. If 5 men complete 4 days and 1 man complete the full work in 20 days. Okay. Now question number second. A can do a piece of work in 4 days and B in 6 days. How long will they take to do the same work when working together? There is given A complete the work in 4 days and B complete the work in 6 days. First we find A and B 1 day work. So first we write A can complete the work in 4 days and B can complete the work in 6 days. First we find A's 1 day work. 1 day work equal to, if you find 1 day work, that is equal to 1 by number of days to finish the work. 1 by number of days to finish the work, and A finish the work in 4 days. Okay, then A's 1 day work 1 by 4, and same as it is B 1 day work, B complete the work in 6 days, then B's 1 day work 1 by 6. Okay, when both working together, we find A and B 1 day work. A plus B 1 day work equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6, that is we take LCM, and LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4, 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 12. A and B both working together, then A plus B 1 day work 5 by 12, and A plus B complete the work when we find number of days, then this equal to 1 by 1 day work. If we take 1 by 5 by 12, that is 12 by 5. Okay, A plus B and A and B both working together, then complete the work 5 by 12 days. Okay, now proceed to next question. Next question number 4. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 12 days. B alone can do the work in 24 days. C alone can do it in 48 days. How many days will A take to do the work alone? there is A, B and C can do a piece of work in 12 days. If all the three members working together, then A, B and C working together, then they complete the work in 12 days. B alone can do the work in 24 and C alone can do it in 48 days. We find the work of A. We write, we have given A, B and C can do a piece of work in 12 days. Okay, then we write A plus B plus C is 1 day work. 1 day work, and that is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, A plus B plus C 1 day work equal to 1 by 12. Next, B alone can do the work in 24 days. B complete the work in 24 days. Then B is 1 day work. 1 day work equal to 1 by 24. Same as it is, C can do it in 48 days. C complete the work in 48 days. Then C is 1 day work equal to 1 by 48. Okay, we find the work of how many days A can take it to complete the work. So if we subtract B plus C work into the A plus B plus C work, then this equal to A's work. So first we find B plus C's 1 day work. This equal to B's 1 day work 25, C 1 by 48, and that is 48 LCM. Then 2 plus 1, 3 by 48. Okay, then cancel out by 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1 by 16. B plus C 1 day work 1 by 16. Then A alone, A's 1 day work. 1 day work equal to A plus B plus C 1 day work minus B plus C 1 day work. Okay, then A plus B plus C 1 day work, that is equal to complete 1 by 12 minus B plus C 1 by 16. We take LCM. 30 to know. Next is 48. 4 minus 3, 1 by 48. Okay, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 16. We take LCM. 12 and 16, that is 48. 4 minus 3, 1 by 48. A's 1 day work 1 by 48. Then A complete the work 1 by 148, that is 48 days. Okay, A complete the work in 48 days. If we have given A, B, C and we find B plus C, then if we find A's 1 day work, then A plus B plus C 1 day work minus B plus C 1 day work, and that is A's 1 day work, and A can complete the work, that is reciprocal of this. Next is question number 5. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 10, 12, 25 days respectively. After 3 days, B left the work. After 3 days, B left the work. In how many days the remaining work will be completed by both A and C together? बच्चे 3 days तक A, B, C तीनों ने काम किया. After that, B left the work, and we find in how many days the remaining work completed by A and C. Okay, so first we find A plus B plus C work till 3 days. So A, B and C given work. Then we write A's 1 day work. A completes the work 10 days, then A's 1 day work 1 by 10. B's 1 day work. B complete the work in 12 days, then B's 1 day work 1 by 12. C's 1 day work. C complete the work 25 days, then 1 day work 25. Next we find A plus B plus C 1 day work. That is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 25. We take a LCM. Okay. Next 50. No. We take LCM of 10, 12 and 25. LCM of 10 by 12, 25, that is 300. Then 30 plus 25 plus 12. Okay. Then 30, 50, 60, 67. 67 by 300. A plus B plus C 1 day work equal to 67 by 300. बच्चे A, B और C तीनों अगर एक दिन काम करते हैं तो वो कितना काम कंप्लीट कर देते हैं 67 by 300. लेकिन तीनों ने कितने दिन तक काम किया है 3 days तक. दिस इज 1 day वर्क. नाउ वी फाइंड A plus B plus C 3 days work. 1 day work this and 3 days work, then multiply 300, that is 67 by 100. ओके. A, B और C ने 3 दिन तक कितना काम कंप्लीट किया. अब B लेफ्ट द वर्क, सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड रिमेनिंग वर्क. इतना काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है एंड कंप्लीट वर्क इज 1. देन रिमेनिंग वर्क इक्वल टू कंप्लीट वर्क इज 1 minus 67 by 100. We take LCM 100. 100 minus 67, that is 33 by 100. इतना काम हमारा क्या रहता है रिमेनिंग वर्क. ओके. इस काम को कौन करेगा A and C. So we find the work of A and C. Now we find A plus C 1 day work. A 1 day work 1 by 10, C 1 day work 1 by 20, then A plus C 1 by 10 plus 1 by 25. We take LCM, that is 50, 5 plus 2, 7 by 50. A plus C 1 day work. A और C एक दिन में कितना काम करते हैं 7 by 50. ठीक है. 1 day work 7 by 50 और बचा हुआ काम हमने कितना काम रहता है 33 by 100. Then number of days A and C complete the work. Remaining work is 33 by 100 divided by 1 day work. 1 day work 7 by 50, and that is 33 by 100 multiply 50 by 7, 51, 50 into 33 by 40. The number of days equal to 33 by 14. इतने दिन में A और C complete कर देंगे काम को. Next question is question number 6. If 15 men working 6 hours per day can complete a piece of work in 16 days, in how many days will 10 men complete the same work by working 8 hours a day? There is 3 units is given: man, hour and days. Okay, 15 men working 6 hours per day complete the work in 16 days, and in how many days? We find number of days: 10 men and 8 hours. Okay, first we take if we find number of days, so we write number of days at last. Then we write solution is 15 men working 6 hours per day, they complete the work 16 days. This is 16 days. Okay. Then if one man working 6 hours per day complete the work, बच्चे 15 मैन काम कंप्लीट करते हैं 16 डेज में, तो 1 मैन कम दिन में कंप्लीट करेगा ज़्यादा में और ज़्यादा के लिए मल्टीप्लाई. सो हमने 15 को रिमूव किया है तो हमारे पास आएगा 16 मल्टीप्लाई 15. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 1 मैन वर्किंग 1 hour पर डे कंप्लीट द वर्क. अगर एक आदमी यहाँ पे 6 hour 6 घंटे काम करता था तो इतने दिन में काम कंप्लीट किया. अगर वही 1 घंटे काम करेगा तो और भी ज़्यादा दिन लगेंगे और ज़्यादा के लिए फिर मल्टीप्लाई 16 मल्टीप्लाई 15 multiply 6. Again we find 10 men. Then we take 10 men. 10 men working 1 hour per day complete the work. अगर एक आदमी काम करेगा तो ज़्यादा दिन, अगर 10 आदमी काम करेंगे तो कम डेज, और कम डेज के लिए डिवाइड. Then 16 multiply 15 multiply 6 by 10. Again 10 men and 8 hours. Next, 10 men working 8 hours per day complete the work. 10 men working 1 hour complete the work in these days. If 10 men working 8 hours, अगर 10 men 1 घंटे काम करेंगे तो इतना टाइम लेते हैं. अगर 10 men 8 घंटे काम करेंगे तो कम टाइम लेंगे, और कम के लिए फिर डिवाइड. दैट इज 16 multiply 15 multiply 6 10 and divided by 8. Now we find 10 men working 8 hours per day complete the work in these days. Now cancel. 8 1 8 2 5 2 and 5 3 2 1 2 1 6 3 equal to 18 days. Okay, 18 days. 10 men working 8 hours per day complete the work in 18 days. We use the unitary method. Okay. Then next is question number 8. A can do 2 by 3 of a work in 10 days and B can do 1 by 4 of the same work in 15 days. In how many days both working together will complete the work? A can do 2 by 3 of a work in 10 days. Okay. A can 2 by 3 of a work, not complete work, only 2 by 3 of a work in 10 days. Then A can do complete work in 10 multiply 3 by 2 to 1 5 15 days. Okay. अगर A 2 by 3 किसी काम का 10 डेज में करते हैं तो कंप्लीट वर्क कितने दिन में करेंगे? 10 multiply 3 by 2 15 days में. तो A's 1 day work equal to 1 by 15. Okay, same as it is. B can do 1 by 4 of the work in 15 days. B can do 1 by 4 of the work in 15 days. A can in 10 days and B in 15 days. Then B can complete work. ये तो काम का 1 by 4 पार्ट, और ये कंप्लीट वर्क इन कंप्लीट करते हैं कंप्लीट वर्क को कितने डेज में? 15 multiply 4 16 days. Okay, B can complete the work in 16 days. So B is 1 day work. B is 1 day work 1 by 60. Then we find if both working together will complete the work. Then we find A plus B is 1 day work. A plus B 1 day work. A is 1 day work 1 by 15. B 1 day work 1 by 60. Then LCM is 60. 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 60. 1 by 12. A plus B 1 day work 1 by 12. Then A and B both complete the work. If 1 day work 1 by 12, then complete work in 12 days. Okay, then A and B complete work in 12 days. Now proceed to next question. This is question number 9. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, A and C in 20 days. 2 का वर्क गिवन है. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ डेज इन विच ऑल वर्किंग टुगेदर विल कंप्लीट द वर्क. फर्स्ट इज गिवन A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. Then we write A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. Okay, then A plus B 1 day work, that is 1/12. Same B and C can complete work in 15 days. Then we find B plus C 1 day work, that is 1/15. Same A and C 1 day work 1/20. 1 day work 1/20. Okay. We find the number of days in which all working together. If we add all three, A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C, 1 day work. अगर हम इनको ऐड करते हैं तो 1/12, 1/15, 1/20. We take LCM 20, and that is LCM is 60. 4 and 3, 9 and 12/60. 1/5, and this is A plus A 2 time of A. Then we take common 2. Same 2 time of B and 2 time of C. Then we write 2 into A plus B plus C 1 day work equal to 1/5, and A plus B plus C 1 day work equal to 1/5, and divided by 2 equal to 1/10. And A plus B plus C can complete the work in 10 days. अगर तीनों मिलके काम करेंगे तो कितने दिन में काम कंप्लीट होगा हमारा? 10 days. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एंड दिस इज लास्ट क्वेश्चन, because in exercise 1 to 10 question in our syllabus, if 5 women or 8 girls complete a piece of work in 21 days, in how many days will 10 women and 12 girls working together complete the work? बच्चे here is given 5 women and 8 girls complete the work in 21 days. अगर 5 वुमेन काम करती हैं तब वो 21 डेज में कंप्लीट कर लेती हैं. सेम अगर 8 गर्ल्स काम करती हैं तब वो 21 डेज में कंप्लीट कर लेती हैं. सो 5 वुमेन और 8 गर्ल्स का काम कैसा है? इक्वल है. सो वी राइट 5 वुमेन वर्क इक्वल टू 8 girls work. Okay, then 1 woman work equal to 8/5 girls work. 1 woman work equal to 8/5 girls work. Okay, and this is the ratio. 1 woman work equal to 8/5 girls work, and we find 10 women and 12 girls. So we find 10 women's girls. 10 women work equal to 8/5. If we 1 woman work 8/5 and 10 women is greater, that is multiply 10, 5, 5, 2, that is 16 girls work. 10 women का वर्क किसके बराबर है? 16 गर्ल्स के वर्क के बराबर. We find 10 women and 12 girls work. Then 10 women plus 12 girls. 10 women, in place of 10 women we write 16 girls plus 12 girls. Okay, and total 28 गर्ल्स. कंप्लीट 10 वुमेन और 12 गर्ल्स मिलके तो कंप्लीट कितनी गर्ल्स के बराबर होंगी? 28 गर्ल्स. एंड 8 गर्ल्स कंप्लीट द वर्क इन 21 days. 8 girls complete the work in 8 girls complete the work in 21 days. 1 girl complete the work. एक लड़की ज्यादा दिन, ज्यादा के लिए मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, these days. And 28 girls complete the work in 28 girls जल्दी काम कंप्लीट करेंगी. टाइम कम और टाइम कम, दैट इज डिवाइड. ओके, 7, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 6. 28 girls complete the work in 6 days. So 10 women plus 12 girls, that is 28 girls complete the work in 6 days. Okay, total 6 days. This is the last question. Okay student, with the help of this video you complete this exercise. Only 1 or 2 questions are pending and you do these questions yourself.